This video covers the general installation of Thunderbolt Deadbolt locks for vans. Right away, you'll notice that the locking device comes out of the box already assembled. The first step is finding a suitable spot to mount the case inside the door. You can use the provided mounting brackets to secure the case to the door's interior, or if possible, mount the case directly inside the door without the brackets. Next, find an appropriate location for the manual release and drill a hole for its installation. Following this, you'll remove the knob and nut from the end of the release cable. Guide the cable through the opening, then lock it into place by securing the nut onto the threads, followed by the knob. Once this is done, based on your specific vehicle, measure, mark, and drill a hole for the housing. You can then release the deadbolt by loosening the set screws and unscrewing it from the flex cable's end fitting. This will enable securing the housing to the door. But before that, you'll need to feed the flex cable from the inside. Tighten the housing back onto the cable's end fitting with the deadbolt now inside the housing. Then, adjust the deadbolt on the cable with the set screws. Using the self-tapping screws, temporarily mount the housing, ensuring it clears the door. Place a dab of the included marking gum at the end of the deadbolt, and then engage the lock by slowly pushing the manual release lever with light pressure. This will show you the spot to drill for the strike plate. Now, secure the strike plate with the provided rivets. There is also an optional raised strike plate accessory that can be surface mounted on some vehicles. After all the locks are tested and working correctly, we highly recommend replacing the self-tapping screws with rivets. The same general installation procedure for the rear door will hold true for the side door. Once the locks are installed, they must be correctly wired to either the vehicle's existing lock motor wires or directly to the battery, depending on the chosen lock version. This will make it easy to enter and exit your van with the push of a button. Finally, attach the Thunderbolt emblem plate to the outside of the door, putting thieves on notice that your vehicle is protected by Deadbolt locks. For more detailed guidance, please refer to our website, where you'll find information on installing the Thunderbolt system in your specific vehicle. Thunderbolt locks. Protect your valuables, cargo, and livelihood.